How to get money from Amazon. TikTok affiliate marketing with Amazon products. Do you want to get money from Amazon instead of paying all the time? Hi, my name is Sebastian, and in today's video I'll show you how to do affiliate marketing with Amazon products. This is an affiliate marketing step-by-step tutorial, and if you want you can follow along all the steps. In this video you will see what is affiliate marketing, how to sign up for Amazon Associates, how to get your free website where you can place your product links. Then I'll show you a free traffic source where you could promote the product. Stay till the end and I'll show you 3 example channels that make money from TikTok. First, what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is promoting other people's product for a commission. You get a part of the sale as a bonus to refer the products to a customer. And this is how you get the money. If someone clicks on your affiliate link, your affiliate partner knows that you referred the customer and you get the money. And now we jump into the computer and I'll show you how you could sign up to Amazon Associates, the Amazon affiliate program. I think it's proof enough if a company like Amazon has an affiliate program that affiliate marketing is legit. To join the program there are 2 different ways. First way is go to amazon.com, scroll to the bottom and click on Become an Affiliate. The second way is type in Google Amazon Associates and go to the Amazon Partner Program. If you click on Become an Affiliate or on the Amazon Associate Program, you can sign up. It's easy, sign up, recommend products and earn money from it. Go through the sign up process and then you come to this page where you have to enter your website. But don't worry about the website, we cover this in the next step. If you have a social media or YouTube channel where you want to promote the products, you can put it in as well. To continue the sign up process, we need a website. For our website, we go to Beacons.ai and it's free to sign up, and we make a page like this but with Amazon products. You will see examples at the end of this video. Just go through the sign up process, it's easy to join, and when you signed up you have a page like this with Amazon products. Here you have your website. Copy this and paste it at the Amazon page. Click on add and continue the sign up process. When you sign up on Amazon Associates, go to product linking, and here you find the products you can promote. Just search what product you want to promote on your channel. They have a lot of products. For example, we take the Hexagon light, this cool product. If you want to order them, I put the link in the description. I think they're really cool, but that's not why I make this video. Okay, how to get your links is just click over here, get link. We want the text only link. This is the link, or you can make a short link. If you want to put it in a description in YouTube, take the short link. Copy this link, go to your Beacons page, to links, add a new link, copy the text, Hexagon lights, insert the text, and we have it over here, and you can put in the Amazon image as well. Now if someone clicks on this link, you come to this Amazon page. You can put in as much links as you want, but don't use too much. If someone has to scroll down 20 links, they won't click on your link. It's too complicated, it should be easy. If you like this affiliate marketing tutorial for beginners, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this channel. The next step for this TikTok affiliate marketing tutorial is to join TikTok. Download the TikTok app and create an account. So now we're on my TikTok account. Put in a description. On the mobile version there would be a link to YouTube, that's for the free training, and this is the description for amazing Amazon findings and my Beacons page. If you click on the page, you get to the Beacons page we saw earlier. If you want to put in the link in the bio, you have to create a business account or you have to get over 1,000 followers. Otherwise, you're not able to do so with a creator account or a personal account. And now I'll show you 3 channels that make money on TikTok using affiliate marketing. The first one is Amazon Expert. He hasn't that much videos. This video has over 3.1 million views. Let's see for an example.
It's actually an air circulator, and it's way better at cooling down your room thanks to its genius design. It's designed after a jet engine from 1945, and so it does something fans can't.
And he's making explaining videos like this, and here you can shop the products. And this is a no-face channel. You don't have to dance on TikTok, you don't have to show your face, just make cool product reviews for really cool products. The next channel is Rachel's channel. She has 2 million followers. Shop her products over here. And let's watch a video, example video. This one has 4 million views.
Amazon home gadgets you didn't know you needed. If you live in a home that doesn't have a fireplace, hear me out. Trust me, this is so worth your time. This is a mini personal fireplace that burns for around 45 minutes straight and is safe to use inside. It's fueled by 5 ounces of alcohol and is...
She's always making an intro, showing her face, and then she's showing the product. And here is her link, all her Amazon finds, and where you can follow her. And the last example is Catben. Here's her description: cleaning, organization, lifestyle. She makes a lot of video about cleaning and organizing. Let's watch one. Let's watch this one. You could make videos like this. Father's Day gift ideas, part 1. She's not showing her face, she's just presenting the product. And this is her link. It looked like Beacon's link. She's an Amazon associate. Imagine this could be your job. Buying cool stuff on Amazon, making review videos from 10 to 15 seconds and post them on social media. This could be a way to replace your 9-to-5 income. Doesn't it sound like a cool job? Now you know how to make money with TikTok affiliate marketing and Amazon products. If you want to make commissions from $500 to $1,000, not just 2 to 10% like on Amazon, check out the first link in the description. It'll lead you to an awesome 15-day challenge where you can partner with a real great affiliate program. And don't forget to watch this video which YouTube is recommending to you.